Got it up on the thing here. Take the Allen real quick and hit those screws real good. Oh, pretty tight. Okay, very good. I don't know, I'm gonna come back into it. Just about right on that. Okay, so next step is putting the, I believe putting the back on. Yep, now we're gonna put the back on. Oh, I got you. Alright. So I can put this right across here. Now what we've got is, oh, knock it off! That is this piece here. Because that's going to get attached. Let's see, you want to attach to the back of the chair first? Or do you want to attach to the back? Attached to the back, because that's going to go in there like that. I would say these are already preset screws, so I would say, because you're going to put it on there and then try to adjust it to the back, I would say go ahead and put it, we'll go ahead and put it on the back of the chair. It's going to slide down. Okay, no, actually, it'll probably, I don't know. Let's see, which one? I would say go ahead and attach it to the chair first, and then you can put the back on next. I think. Maybe not. Maybe we'll go ahead and put it on the back first. I don't know. Kind of up to you, I guess. Because when you're trying to balance that in here to get the lines squared up. You've just got it on here. This automatically lines right up into that back. So I'm going to say, I would say go ahead and put it on the chair first. I don't think it's got, no, actually it does say number 5 is to go ahead and install it on the back. Well, it really doesn't. What does it matter between the two? What does matter is going to be which of the screws you're using. See, that's O. Okay, you got a spare parts kit, spare screws, and then you got these two. Let's see, steel plate screws, screws for steel plate and back cushion. So let's see, steel back plate screws. So that's gonna go in here. And those are actually, you got either one for the steel back plate, which is going to be your ends. You've actually got actually bolt heads, probably 10s. I'm going to go ahead and put this in first. Let's see. Going to face back here. Oh, over the top. Okay. That's what I'm saying. we're playing with the chair or the back, trying to get it into the screws in here. So go ahead and put the, let's say go ahead and put the bolt screws in here first, and go from there. And then it's not going to be so hard getting the back, because you can balance the back standing up. There we go. What you doing, Tina? Self-tapped. Okay. We'll take the Allen screw. What do you do with it? The Allen wrench. I do the Allen wrench. Okay. Way cool. I lost the Allen screw. Okay, no. And the last one, your O's, and these are what's gonna put your back up, and line them right up, and that's actually sitting there by itself. Thought that was a good idea. I don't know. We want to start these by hand. Let's get the first one, and then you'll be good with the other ones. But again, make sure you use your fingers. Get it started. You don't want to cross. You don't want to cross thread screws. That's not a good thing. Actually started. There we go. We're going to tighten up. There we go. Very nice. All right, no spare screws. Here's your instructions, and I can't seem to find my Allen wrench, because I want to double check the. Drop that down there. Drop that down there. There it is. It was underneath. Okay. So let's go ahead and tighten these. Sure they're tight. Got them down pretty tight. They're giving us. It gives kind of like an impact hit on it. Okay, nice and tight. Now, that's what that does. So right over it. Little V. Goes in there. Looks like that. I don't know what that does. Ouch. Come on. That's got a nice cupping on it.